Hey Lou, relating to tech but in a different kind of aspect, what are your thoughts on the development of hockey sticks from wood to carbon fiber and all these different tapers, kick points that companies are selling nowadays? P.S. What's your current stick? I'm using the Warrior Alpha QX. Cheers from Vancouver. Of course, that question comes from Vancouver. Another hockey player, another Canadian. You know, a couple people sent me this cool video from, I think it was Nasher. He was looking at a stick blade with a bunch of Nasher, Nasher, and you could put blade because I'm sure it's going to come up right away. And this is a stick that has a perforated blade, holes in the blade, which is a pretty wild, futuristic design. I haven't tried it yet, so I can't really comment. But this is an area where things have been relatively the same for a while. So to see something like this is kind of amazing. Of course, it's from a new manufacturer. It's not coming from a prestigious or established, not from Bauer or Warrior or some company like this. My current stick I'm using, I have a couple of Bauer Supreme sticks. They're not that fancy or special. I also have a 2N. I have a Bauer Supreme. I have a Bauer 2N. You know, I'm not super particular on this front. I have some weird taste though. It's a Nexus 2N. Yeah, I have one of those. I've also got a True stick as well. I got a bunch of sticks, but I'm not super particular on the stick necessarily being the highest end model. No, true, just true. No stick, true hockey stick. There you go, Will. Will's he's learning how to Google these days. So which one of these do I have? No, I have the XC9. Here's my thing I am particular about, though. I'm particular about the curve, and I'm also particular about the grip. I do not like a grip on the shaft. I prefer a slick, a relatively matte finish on the shaft itself. And I like a heel curve, a very uncommon type of curve. That's where I would get particular. So, but stick tech, I should probably get into it. I should get the perforated blade and figure it out because there is cool stuff happening. I should order it up. Maybe that's the future.